Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share the best home remedies for all your beauty needs. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make your very own exfoliating scrub at home. This scrub is perfect for getting rid of dead skin cells, improving circulation and leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft. Alright, let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need some sugar, coffee grounds, coconut oil and honey. These are all natural ingredients that are super beneficial you'll need for your skin. First up, grab a cup of granulated sugar. Sugar is a great exfoliant because it's gentle on your skin but super effective at scrubbing away those dead skin cells. Next, add half a cup of coffee grounds to the mix. Coffee grounds are fantastic for improving circulation and can help reduce the appearance of cellulite. Plus, they smell amazing. Now it's time to add half a cup of melted coconut oil. Coconut oil is incredibly moisturizing and will leave your skin feeling silky smooth. If your coconut oil is solid, just pop it in the microwave for a few seconds until it's liquefied. Finally, add a tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps retain moisture in your skin. It also has antibacterial properties, making it great for acne-prone skin. Mix everything together in a bowl until you get a nice thick consistency. Your scrub is now ready to use. To use the scrub, simply scoop a small amount into your hand and gently massage. After you've exfoliated, rinse off the scrub with warm water. Pat your skin dry with a towel and admire how soft and smooth it feels. Trust me, your skin is going to thank you for this. And there you have it, a simple, homemade exfoliating scrub that you can make with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Not only is this scrub effective, but it's also all natural and free from any harsh chemicals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home remedy tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific remedy you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.